There is a special kind of magic in small furniture. It's the magic of pieces that don't demand a large workshop, don't consume expensive materials, and don't overwhelm your production schedule, yet somehow manage to deliver impressive profit, consistent demand, and steady growth for makers who learn to build them well. These compact creations have become the heartbeat of many profitable woodworking businesses because they fit perfectly into modern homes, tight apartments, minimalist lifestyles, and the growing trend of intentional living. Today, we step into a world where every small build has the potential to become a bestseller. We explore how compact furniture and decor can generate dependable income, attract repeat buyers, and help you craft a brand that feels fresh, inspiring, and profitable. These pieces prove that you don't need a massive project to create meaningful value. You don't need to build a huge dining table to make good money. You don't need complex joinery to impress customers. What you need is creativity, style, thoughtful craftsmanship, and an understanding of what people love to bring into their homes. Small furniture carries the power of accessibility for both makers and buyers. It makes woodworking feel achievable for beginners and efficient for professionals. These pieces can be crafted on weekends, produced in batches, customized with ease, and sold at attractive prices that keep customers returning again and again. They fit into almost any space, from a modern living room to a rustic cottage, and they blend beautifully with changing decor trends. Throughout this narration, we will explore how small builds create real profit, why they remain in high demand, and how you can use them to build a sustainable woodworking business. We'll talk about design flow, material efficiency, branding, photography, pricing strategy, seasonal opportunities, and the art of turning compact pieces into premium items that feel handmade, stylish, and worth every penny. This journey is about scaling your craft and your income without scaling your stress. It's about learning how small furniture can generate big results. And it's about discovering how your workshop, whether large or tiny, can become a space where creativity meets financial reward through designs that are purposeful, functional, decorative, and irresistibly appealing to buyers. So take a deep breath, set aside your worries about tools and space, and let your imagination step into the world of small furniture and decor. Today, we carve out new opportunities, we polish new ideas, and we discover how small builds can create the steady income every woodworker dreams of. Small furniture is one of the most practical ways to build a profitable woodworking business because it exists in that perfect intersection of function, beauty, and affordability. Buyers love pieces they can easily fit into their homes. Pieces they can move around. Pieces that complement existing decor without overwhelming a room. Makers, on the other hand, appreciate projects that don't require large lumber investments or heavy machinery. Small furniture sits perfectly between these two needs, and that is exactly why it continues to sell. The heart of small furniture lies in its flexibility. A compact shelf can become a nightstand in one home and a bathroom organizer in another. A small bench can become an entryway accent, a plant stand, or a coffee corner seat. A mini side table can hold a lamp, a stack of books, or a cup of morning coffee. These pieces adapt silently and gracefully to the lifestyle of the buyer, and buyers value anything that adds convenience and style at the same time. Financially, small furniture offers one of the strongest opportunities for consistent income because the cost-to-price ratio is highly favorable. A single board can become multiple parts of a compact piece. Offcuts become legs, supports, tops, brackets, or handles. You're making maximum use of your material, which means your profit margin increases naturally. And since the tools required are basic cuts, sanding, assembly, and finishing, you can work efficiently and comfortably, whether you're a beginner or a skilled craftsman producing at scale. Small pieces also allow you to explore new design ideas without the pressure that comes with large projects. If you want to test a new shape, a new finish, or a new joinery technique, doing it on a small piece lets you experiment safely. If a design doesn't turn out exactly how you imagined, the loss is minimal. This freedom accelerates your craftsmanship. Every attempt becomes a lesson, every lesson becomes improvement, and every improvement becomes a piece that sells better than the last. There is also something deeply personal about small furniture. Buyers are drawn to pieces they can carry with one hand and place thoughtfully in a meaningful location. These pieces often become part of someone's daily routine, holding keys at the door, stacking mail, lifting a plant closer to sunlight, or simply adding character to a quiet corner. When people feel this connection with your creations, they are far more likely to return to your shop or recommend your work to others. One of the strongest advantages of working with small furniture is how easy it is to create a cohesive collection. Instead of producing random items, you can build a unified series of mini pieces that share the same style. This consistent aesthetic becomes your brand language. Customers recognize your look instantly and feel drawn to your products because they feel authentic, intentional, and harmonious. This sense of unity makes your booth at a craft fair more attractive, your online shop more professional, and your catalog more memorable. Marketing small furniture has never been easier because these pieces photograph beautifully. Online shoppers love seeing small pieces styled in bright, natural settings. Social media platforms favor videos of sanding, assembling, and finishing small projects because people find the process relaxing. A short clip of you applying finish to a compact tabletop or attaching a sleek wooden leg can go viral because the movement is satisfying and the result is visually appealing. These videos invite curiosity and inspire potential buyers to explore your other products. But the key to turning these pieces into consistent income is understanding what buyers want. They want durability without bulkiness. They want beauty that doesn't require a complete room makeover. They want pieces that feel handmade, purposeful, and unique. That's why details matter so much in small furniture. Rounded edges, smooth surfaces, clean joinery, and quality finishes elevate a simple piece into something refined. When buyers notice these details, they feel justified paying a higher price, and often they are happy to do so. Finishing small furniture is also more forgiving than finishing large items. You can apply oils, stains, or paint quickly, allowing you to experiment with multiple looks. Some makers create the same design in several color variations so customers can choose the one that matches their style. This approach not only increases sales but also gives your brand a diverse portfolio with little extra effort. Small furniture reminds us that size doesn't determine value, craftsmanship does. Every compact shelf, every little table, every decorative piece carries the opportunity to bring beauty into someone's home while bringing income into your hands. These designs prove that your workshop doesn't need to be huge to be profitable, and your builds don't need to be large to make a meaningful impact. You are creating pieces that serve real purpose, pieces that delight buyers, and pieces that build your brand one sale at a time. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.